Hi, welcome back to my channel Linob Talks. I am Linob and today we'll be discussing on Educational Credential Assessment or ECA for Canada. So what is ECA? ECA is basically the verification of your credentials, whether it is degree, diploma or certificate, and validity to a Canadian one. So who does the evaluation process? There are several organizations or professional bodies in Canada who does the evaluation. So who are they? So I'll just read the names of the evaluators or the professional bodies, and I'll post the link below. You can go and have a look. They are Comparative Education Services, CES, International Credential Assessment Service of Canada, ICAS, World Education Services, WES, International Qualifications Assessment Service, IQAS, International Credential Evaluation Service, ICES. And for employment, there are certain bodies where you have to approach and take the evaluation services, which is like Medical Council for Doctors for Physicians, and for pharmacists it is Pharmacy Examining Board of Canada. So basically this evaluation is required by immigration authorities, licensing boards, certain schools. So how long is the ECA valid for? Once the ECA is processed, it is valid for 5 years. So the ECA process differs from organization to organization. Some may not give you the equivalency of your country. Some organizations may give the equivalency. So it all depends how you choose the organization. So what is the application process for the ECA? Well, there are some steps for this. First thing is you have to choose the organization where you want to start the ECA process, whether it can be WES, IQES or any other. So once you register in their account, you have to make the required payment. Then once you make the payment process, you will get a reference number from the organization website to your email. So for example, if you are going with a WES, you will get a WES reference number. So once you get the reference number, you will also download. This is I am explaining with respect to WES process. So for WES, you have to download the academic request form and fill in the details in the form along with the reference number you get in the email. So once you fill this form, you have to attach all the mark list. You have to attach all the mark list, which is including the improvement exam, or if you have any supplementary. So it should be a complete document, complete mark list. From, say, if you have done a Bachelor of Technology, it should have the complete set of mark list right from the first semester till the 8th semester. So once you have all these documents, you have to send it to the university. So it can be online, it can be offline. It depends from university to university. So once the university receives your mark list, they will verify and they will provide an official transcript. So the official transcript should be directly sent to the required organization. So as per your instructions, it will be sent to whether WES or IQAS or any other organizations. So once the designated organization receives your official transcript, they will start processing. So they will check your genuinity and then they will give the ECA report. So how long does the ECA report processing takes place? So it depends from organization to organization. WES normally say that they need 35 business days. However, once they receive the official transcript from the university, they will process within 7 days. However, it may take several weeks depending on the other organizations. Like IQAS may take several weeks. So also the other organizations. So it is up to you to choose the organization whom you want to go with based on the equivalency they can provide for your degree or diploma or any other certificate. So you are the one who takes the judgment to decide which organization you want to go with. So once the processing is done by the designated organization, they will issue a ECA report in the form of an email as well as a hard copy via courier. So they will courier it your delivery address as mentioned by you, and one soft copy will be sent to your email address. So for all the immigration purposes, only the soft copy is required. In addition, I would like to say that the ECA report can be downloaded at any point of time from the account you have registered. I hope you like this video, and in case of any questions, please feel free to contact in the comment box with your queries, and I'll be responding at the earliest. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll be posting more videos on Express Entry program, PNP, IELTS preparation and tips, documentation required for PR, and many other videos. Until next video, see you, goodbye.